Welcome everyone to the third international workshop on event-based vision. I'm very happy that we are all here, and we're going to make the most out of this this time at CVPR 2021. What you can see here on the slide is the link to the workshop website, and that's our main point of information. That's what this page looks like. And, on the webpage, we will find the schedule. It's very, very important. And we have videos, slides, papers, and very useful links. We are very happy that we have this great panel of speakers with us and that they make a huge effort to prepare the videos and make them available pre-recorded for us to watch in advance. If we haven't watched the videos, don't worry, because we will still do like each speaker will do like a summary presentation, and then we'll have a panel discussion. So our sponsor is Prophecy. This workshop is sponsored by this event-based camera manufacturer, and we also have co-organizer Davide Migliori, that is also from Prophecy. I'm very happy that he's part of the organizing team. So we would like to thank you. We would like to thank the CVPR and the workshop chairs for allowing us to organize this workshop. Last time we had it at 2019. And now we are doing it again every 2 years. We thank a lot the invited speakers for preparing the talks, the summaries, and the pre-recorded videos. We also would like to thank the contributors of the submitted papers and the reviewers for helping with the fast and thorough review process. And I would also like to help the co-organizers of this workshop, Davide Scaramuzza, Kostas Danilidis, Cornelia Vermüller, and Davide Migliori. Okay, so the topics, I think we all know, that's why we are here, but basically we have the latest event-based cameras. We have big panel, well, great lineup of speakers in terms of companies. I think we are not missing anyone. We also have not only in event cameras, but also in neuromorphic hardware. We have the Intel Oihi, we have Julia representing that. And yeah, regarding the papers, we have 4 new data sets, 2 new simulators, 1 competition on depth estimation. And the papers cover a wide range of topics, from optical flow, corner detection and tracking, image intensity reconstruction, fit map control, and many, many applications that we will see on the talks. So this is the summarized schedule. Basically, we are starting now. We have 3 minutes till this first session. There will be 4 speakers per session, and each one will give a summary of their talk, about 10 minutes. And we will have the questions at the end. We will have a panel discussion that should be 20 minutes long at the end of each session. The times that you see here on the slide are Eastern times. That's 10 a.m. on the East Coast. Here are the names of each person in the speaker in each session. And in the middle, we will have an intermission. We will provide the results of the competition, the award ceremony, and then we'll go into this poster session of the accepted papers and courtesy presentations. I was just checking the way how to do it. And I think we will all try to make use of the breakout rooms, because I didn't see many people there in Galilee. And session 3 and 4 will be after this 90-minute intermission, and then the last panel discussion concludes the workshop. And this is the layout that I will put online when we come to the intermission. So here are all the accepted papers and also the courtesy presentations. And just to summarize a bit more how the field is growing, I like to keep track of these statistics. This basically shows in the last 6 years how many papers are published at computer vision and robotics venues, right, that were not before. Classically, event-based vision papers have been published in other venues, such as the transactions of neural networks and learning systems. But this is basically showing a positive trend, a growing trend of many more people joining and researching on event-based vision. We have a list of event-based vision resources that we created a few years ago, and I encourage you to go online, check this list, and also add your papers and your videos, your data sets on this GitHub repository. It should be a joint effort, not just the effort of a couple of people. If you want to dive more into event-based vision, which I'm sure many people here already know, but from the first workshop it came out, we worked on a paper with transactions on pattern analysis and machine intelligence that finally was accepted last year. And this is a very comprehensive survey of what was the state of the art until last year. And there is also a course at TU Berlin that I've been working on, trying to follow the survey paper. And here you have introduction and exercises, and yeah, it's more if you want to get an introduction. And that's basically it. So I think I'm done.